Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a Bundt Wich. The ingredients that we're going to need today are non-stick cooking spray. We're also going to need two 11-ounce cans of French bread, mayonnaise, yellow hot banana peppers, that's optional, onions, shredded iceberg lettuce, sliced cheese, tomatoes, and my lunch meat of choice is low sodium turkey breast. You can use the lunch meat of your choice. Okay guys, the first thing that we're going to do is get a Bundt pan and we're going to spray it with our non-stick cooking spray. Once you have it sprayed, you're going to go ahead and open up your 2 cans of French bread. Once you open your French bread, all you want to do is pinch the ends together to seal it. You can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now you want to place it in your oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Once the French bread is done, I'm going to flip it over onto a wire rack so it can cool completely. Look how nice that came out. So now we're going to let it cool completely before we cut it. Once your bread has cooled off, you can go ahead and slice it in half. Next, we're going to go ahead and build our sandwich. We're going to start by putting mayonnaise on. Now you can begin to add your lunch meat. Now to our lunch meat, we're going to go ahead and begin to add our cheese over top. Next, we're going to add our tomato on top. Now for mine, I'm only adding onion to half of it. I'm just going to put the onion on one side along with our banana peppers. Next, we're going to take some of our shredded lettuce and go right over top. Now we're going to place the top of our bread onto it. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut into it now. Okay guys, look how delicious that looks. Okay guys, so here we have it, our turkey and cheese Bundt Wich. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?